While drilling ahead, if a lost circulation zone is encountered, the PBL tool can be activated. To activate the tool, a vinyl ball is inserted and pumped down. The ball triggers a mechanism to circulate LCM material through two side ports into the annulus, and 100% of the flow is bypassing. Rock fractures are sealed off without plugging the BHA or a time-consuming and costly round trip. A special safety feature of the tool is that whenever pumps are turned off, the sleeve shifts to the closed position and isolates the ports, which eliminates the U-tube effect and assures for well integrity. To deactivate the tool, two steel balls are inserted and pumped down. The vinyl ball will shear through the seat at a predetermined pressure. 100% of the flow will be re-established to the drill bit. All balls will fall into the ball catcher cage, which is designed to hold up to 5 sets of balls. Extended catcher cages to accommodate up to 10 sets of balls are available upon request. After deactivation, return to drilling mode. An additional application of the PBL tool is for hole cleaning. Whenever the flow rate of the drilling mud is limited by the BHA components, the PBL bypass system will allow an increase in the flow rate for proper hole cleaning.